So in Microsoft Power Pages, what you can also do is you can go ahead and create and edit your own data table so that you can add in your own form fields and then create your own form from scratch. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to go around over here onto the data section right here. Then you can click on table, and in order to create a table from scratch, I'm going to click on new table right here. So the display name is going to be TutuTube channel right here, just like this, as you can see, and then you can choose the primary column as well. Once you go ahead and decide that, you can go ahead, add in description as well, and even change out the advanced options. But I'm simply going to go ahead and click on save, and then it starts saving out the table right here, and we'll create it. And then over here on the left side, you can see that TutuTube channel table has been created, and there's the name field right here. If I want to go ahead and add in more fields, then I can simply click on new column. So I'm just going to go around over here and say nickname right here, just like this. So this is going to be a text as well, let's say for example, and I'm going to go ahead and click on save right here. So you can see that nickname is here. I can simply go ahead and rearrange it out as I want. So I can go around over here, add in a new column. So I'm just going to go around and say username right here, just like this. This is going to be a text as well. And you can see that you can choose text area and so forth as you wish as well. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I got 3 fields now. So now in order to make it into a form, you need to go around over here onto the form section. And then what you need to do is click on new form right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and name this as TutuTube form right here, just like this. And I'm simply going to say sample in the description, and I'm going to go ahead and create it out right here. So this is what you have, and now you can go ahead and add the fields as you want. So I can just go around over here, and you can see that I got the nickname field, the username field, it's all here, as you can see right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here and add in the nickname field right here, right after the name, and the username field right here, just like this. So if you have created any other fields, you will see it right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and save and publish this out now, and that form format will be simply saved out, and you'll be able to go ahead and insert it out in your page. So this is what you have, as you can see. So this has been updated. So now what you can do is you can go around over here onto the page section, and then what you can do right here now is add in a section, go around over here onto column, and then you can go around over here onto forms. So once you go ahead and do that, now you can simply go ahead and choose form. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in tutor, and then you can see that TutuTube channel is an option. You can select out that form that you made right here, press OK, just like this, and that particular form will be inserted just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and create and edit out data table as you want, so that you can go ahead and create your own form out of it as well inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.